Hello, my dear friends. As you are seeing the national flag of the India, this is the really marvelous moment for me, and I am feeling proud to be here in Central Northern Barracks, which is formerly known for the Central Kanpur Central Railway Station. And you can see what the modernization is going on. Kanpur Metro project is going on, which is on the way for construction, and almost project will be over within a year. And this metro project beginning from the IIT Kanpur, and it will go up to the Barra. You can see how much busy this Kanpur Central Railway Station, and around 300 mail express are coming here and going. This is the main route from Delhi to Calcutta, or rather we can say Howrah, Sialdah, and to the Guwahati. Say, this Kanpur Central Railway Station, which is formerly known as Northern Central Barracks, which was in the Prayagraj. Now you are seeing the same when this railway station came into existence in 1930, and before that it was just a small stoppage, and now you are seeing how many, around 1 to 10 platforms are there, and you can see how many passengers daily they are coming and going from here to the Delhi, as well as to the Howrah, Sialdah, Guwahati, and other parts of the India. This tricolor of the India shows how we stand for the progress of India. The railway ministry has done very great thing to promote fraternity, integrity, dignity of the individual, and promote the nationalism through three language formula. One is the state language, another is Hindi, and third one is the English. So wherever you go in the railway platform, or wherever you go to the railway station, you will find three languages. That is, one is the state language, another is Hindi, and third one is the English. So this is the concept of nationalism here in India, and we promote all other state languages which are recognized in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. 22 languages are recognized, and official language of the India is Hindi. Thank you very much being with me. I am Dr. Santosh Kamal, along with my wife, who is going to the Itawa to meet my son. Thank you.